ஹாரிஸ் வின்ஸ்டர். இங்கே ஜுவாலஜி டிபார்ட்மெண்ட், பாரதியார் யூனிவர்சிட்டியில் ஜுவாலஜி டிபார்ட்மெண்ட்டில் எம்ஃபில் பண்ணிகிட்ருக்கேன். நான் இங்கே டிஎன்ஏ சீக்வன்சிங் ஹேண்ட்ஸ் ஆன் ட்ரைனிங்க்கு வந்திருக்கேன். இந்த சீக்வன்சிங் டெக்னிக்ஸில் எப்படிலாம் ஒரு சாம்பிளை ரெடி பண்ணணும், அந்த சாம்பிளை எப்படி ரெடி பண்ணிவிட்டு நம்ம சீக்வன்சிங் பண்ணலாம், சீக்வன்சிங்கோட அப்ளிகேஷன்ஸ் எந்த மாதிரி இருக்குது, அது எப்படின்னா இப்போ ஒரு டிஎன்ஏல உள்ள மாற்றங்கள் என்னென்னலாம் நடந்திருக்கு, ஒரு கம்பேரிட்டிவ் ஸ்டடி மாதிரி நம்ம பண்ணுறதுக்கு யூஸ்ஃபுல்லான திங் இதுதான். இங்கே இந்த சீக்வன்சிங்க்கு ஹேண்ட்ஸ் ஆன் ட்ரைனிங் வந்ததில் இதை மட்டும் கற்றுக்காமல் மற்றவங்க என் கூட ஜாயின் பண்ணி வந்தவங்க எல்லோரும் என்னென்ன மாதிரியான ஒர்க் பண்ணிகிட்ருக்காங்க, அதில் இந்த சீக்வன்சிங்கோட அப்ளிகேஷன் எந்த மாதிரி இருக்குது அப்படின்றத நான் நிறைய தெரிஞ்சுக்கிட்டேன். தேங்க்யூ.
Training is very helpful to all. I think this is not more like hands-on. We all not doing the work by hand. In future, we give the facility to everyone. Give the batches, separate the batches 2-3 members, and give doing the work for all. That's more helpful to understand and learning. And by the way, the all work is excellent, and then that is more helpful. In future, we need to explain all the PCRs. That also helpful to understand we must understand the basic level of information first. All the peoples are knowing everything also, so we must need to first of all we explain about the basic things. In a single presentation we give the explanation about all the things that helps to regain the knowledge, basic knowledge. After that we go for the advances in this work. That's helpful to the attenders, participants. As the way I say, must to do the all the participants do the works by their hands. That's the hands-on. But personally I satisfied and I have knowledge on this. I gain the knowledge. Thank you.
Before I have only theory knowledge about the sequencing. Here I have got lot of practical knowledge about sequencing. Thank you. It is more helpful to our work. Thank you. No comments. Satisfied.
Training was actually helpful because we know more of theoretical things, and we gain more of practical knowledge here. It was nice. Thank you, sir.
My next presentation will be on actually it was very nice. 2 days we came with lots and lot of expectation. Only thing is as many have told, hands-on, each individual we didn't get the hands-on either, but since it is DNA sequencing, it is very difficult to explain all the basics in just 2 days of it. That will be the whole motto why they would have selected only those individuals who are competent enough to understand the sequencing. I think that is the part of their plan, and I would thank Prabhakaran sir very much because I am a late participant, late entrant who was accepted in the last moment. I think in Saturday, Sunday, sir was traveling somewhere, and sorry for bothering you much, sir, and thank you for accepting us. Hope in the future we will use the facility which is here, and hope we will send our other colleagues and students as well to get trained more in the sequencing aspect. And I thank one and all for arranging and organizing everything in a good manner, though the building is new. Thank you everyone. Thank you.
It's a very nice thing to be with you all in these 2 days, and we felt young being with the young children here. I thank Professor Prabhakaran for arranging this beautiful DNA sequencing training. I think this is the first time in this zone of DNA sequencing training, I think. Usually people who have the machine, they go for training. But this is the other way around. They got the machine and they are training the people around. This is very nice about the people in this department. And altogether, it's a very nice 2-day program. They have crafted very well to suit the needs of everyone. Lectures were very good. The Thermo people gave all the latest what is in store with ABA. They have showcased all their products, and it might be useful for people what you can do with ABA. So it's a very beautiful package of 2 days training program. And one suggestion, sir. The thing is, facility many of the people may not have. So they will give the sample and you give the sequence. What is very essential is what to do with the sequence that we get from you. So the sequence analysis, and how will you get some read of 16S, how will you say that this is this bacterium? How you can do that? So maybe one day you can have a short thing for how to analyze the sequence and how you can authenticate my sequence is correct and this is that bacterium or something like that.
Yeah, depending upon the need, we can always,
Yeah.
myself, we are there and Prabharan sir is there. So if we just need only the sequence results, we can do it. But if you want in more interpretation, if you want to support us in terms of analyzing the data, interpreting the data, we are always ready, we are
Yeah.
available, we can do it.
Yeah, that's good about the organizers. So you can use the facility, also the expertise in finding a meaning for the sequence that you are getting.
So that is possible. So that's the beauty of being in academic institution. So the regular outside service providers, they will do the same.
Yeah, they will just give the sequence. It is up to you to say this is ABC or BCD, something it is up to you. And many times for 116S you get 10 hits, all with 99.8% similarity. Then to which I will fix my thing. So that's the
Always
thing.
when we send out the results to you, you can get back to us. If you want any suggestions, any feedback, any help from our side in interpreting the results, we are happy with that. That can be done.
Thank you, sir. Thank you all.
Very useful as plant breeders. We will be having big genome organisms to deal with, but Sanger is like golden standard always in sequencing, so we came to know how it is automated and how we can apply in our field. We learned a lot, and we got an opportunity to interact with everyone. Even though this was a last minute acceptance of our work, we 5 people came from our university from same department, but also they accepted. We are so thankful for that. And also in future we hope that we will utilize this facility pertinent to our studies. Thank you.